Hi folks, my name is Aaron Shamradian, Regional Sales Manager for SPI Coatings, and today I'm conducting a short sales presentation on our international bestseller, Rust Grip. Rust Grip is widely considered the best atmospheric corrosion protection coating in the world. Why? Because unlike normal coatings that only glue to the surface, Rust Grip penetrates to the pores of the metal where it draws humidity and then fills the pores. Once it fills the pores, there's no more corrosion. Even better, it hardens to 6780 psi tensile strength, which gives it incredible abrasion and chemical resistance. So really, Rust Grip is not just another coating. It's a whole new way of painting that's saving our clients untold amount of time and money. Corrosion protection is just the beginning with Rust Grip. So here's what our customers love the most about Rust Grip. The fact that it's a single component, it's fast cure. Again, humidity accelerates curing. If you have humidity, you can't afford not to use this product. You get 3 coats in a single day. It's surface tolerant, but yet gives maximum long-term corrosion protection. It's easy to apply, brush, roll, or spray. Uses aluminum rather than zinc. It's self-priming, 3 coats in one system, and has a very long shelf life. So in order to get all these benefits, all you need to do is fill 4 mils above the highest peak profile. When it comes to testing, ASTM B117, 15,000 hours with a perfect score of 10. The more aggressive, 5894, 10,000 hours, perfect score of 10. When it comes to aged pull-off, after 4,300 hours and 24 hours of baking, it has an aged pull-off of above 1,000 psi, hence the name Rust Grip. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers has tested a variety of moisture-cure urethanes, and Rust Grip was found to be the most consistent performer. Our client Petrobras did offshore ISO 12944 aggressive testing, and in their words, Rust Grip showed the best performance. We consider this an excellent result after 12 cycles. ADNOC tested our surface tolerant characteristics, and a picture is worth 1,000 words. As you can see, with no blast, Rust Grip system outperformed the competitor, which had a blast, and we also cured much faster. So very recently, about a month ago, Chevron published in the Society of Petroleum Engineers an 8-year study on drill pipes where 18 other coatings were tested. Drill pipes are the most demanding environment you can ever think of. And Rust Grip was selected as the top performing corrosion resistant coating. So really, here's what that looks like. And since 2015, we have 1,700,000 linear feet with 0 tube corrosion downgrades. Picture on the left, pipe returned after 3 back-to-back completions. The picture on the right, after a single completion, and you can see the amount of corrosion. In the words of the author, Rust Grip presented a paradigm shift in the way they coated drill pipes, solved the corrosion, solved the inspection, solved the logistics, solved the cross iron contamination. This paper is available for viewing in the attachment section below. So again, it's not just a paint, it's a new way of painting. Here's a client in Abu Dhabi. We do LNG carriers for them. Rather than dry docking, they're painting at sea. No shutdown, no blasting. All with riding crews, painting at sea means less dry docking time, more time at sea, making more money. So it's just, again, a new way of doing things. The Blue Chip Casino boat was the largest casino boat built in the U.S. at the time. They saved $2 million by not having to blast flash rusted new steel. Offshore, our clients here at the Cantrell Complex, rapid curing, using the humidity to do 3 coats in a single day, what was normally taking them 3 days to do this. Offshore performance in a non-zinc formulation in a single component. Ease of application, you can brush, roll, or spray. When it comes to corrosion under insulation, it's a great CUI coating. It has a maximum temperature of 325 F. Our LNG pipeline operators in hard to blast obscure locations, here you see before and after, direct to rust. You can top coat Rust Grip with any type of color polyurethane or even an epoxy. Here's an example of a LNG tank just kind of facing an impossible containment scenario. Rather than blasting, they were able to encapsulate very, very old paint using Rust Grip with only a power wash. Here's an example of a letter of recommendation where a brand new plant, rather than shutting down after a year because the zinc epoxy urethane system had failed, they just top coated everything with rust grip to buy them time till their next shutdown. Rust grip is great for spot rust repair. It comes in multiple packing sizes. Here's an example of Baku Metro. Rather than shutting down the metro system, every night at 1 a.m. to 4 a.m., crews came in there slathering on cast iron steel, using the humidity to rapidly cure and encapsulate the surface. We do a lot of bridges. Here's a bridge where only a power wash was used, no blast. We have letters of recommendation from the Department of Transportation. Here's another bridge in Alabama where 8 years in service, no rust. We have a SSPC E. Croy Noy Award for Innovation for our complete coating system, Rust Grip, Super Therm, and Enamel Grip. We hold a United States patent for Rust Grip, and letters of recommendation are available from all over the world for basically solving previously unsolvable problems. So here's what it boils down to. Corrosion performance is just the beginning. We're saving you time and money on surface preparation costs and application time, able to complete shutdowns in record speed. So if you made it this far, I'll have a bonus product for you. This is our HPC Insulative coating, and this replaces jacket insulation for CUI, but it also gives incredible thermal insulation and personnel protection. So here's an example of a black liqueur tank, no shutdown. Take off the cladding, apply directly to the metal. Before 180, after 118F. Here's a LNG water bath heater. Our client has thousands of these suffering from corrosion under insulation. There's the before, here's the after. Here's one that's even more aggressive corrosion. And you guessed it, first rust grip as a primer, and then top coat with our HPC insulative coating at about half inch thickness. Offshore compressors, heat builds pressure. You see before 334, after 167. All that heat is contained. Steam pipes, before 280, after 90. You see the gentleman with his hand on it for personnel protection to demonstrate the heat is being retained. Sulfur pipes, same thing, before and after, big temperature drops. Here's a beautiful example of offshore crude pipes. I just love this application here. Power plants use it on baghouse ducts to eliminate cold spots, which can cause accelerated corrosion. So here's examples of power plants using it. And of course, we have advanced tactics where we vary thicknesses to give unparalleled control on temperatures, different thicknesses, different insulation factors. Well, that completes my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me on my mobile or my email. All these examples are also available in the attachments below. Thank you.